Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to log in HSBC Credit Card. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.hsbc.com.in/credit-cards. Once you do this, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the log on option. Once you press on the log on option, you need to simply type in your username, and once you have typed in your username which you had used to create an account, you need to tap on the continue button. So you can even tap on the remember me option to get remembered about your login credentials, and once that is done, you will simply get logged in into your HSBC credit card. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.